Traditional AI video creation is dead. The era of disjointed, uncontrollable clips is over. Today, we master Google Flow.
We've all been there. Distorted faces, morphing objects, and zero consistency. It ruins your content.
But Google Flow changes everything. This is your new command center for high-fidelity, consistent AI video generation.
Step 1. Select your engines. Under the Model dropdown, we pair the ultra-realistic physics of Veo 3.1 with the cognitive intelligence of Gemini Omni.
Step 2. Feed the system. Drag your reference photos directly into the Ingredients panel to lock in your character, style, and color palette instantly. Step 3. Unleash cinematic prompting. Watch how Flow interprets the prompt, rendering flawless physics, reflections, and motion in real time. Step 4. The Storyboard Studio. Arrange your scenes on a multi-clip timeline with native audio waveforms, ensuring perfect narrative pacing.
Now, the blueprint. We use this consistent output to scale high CPM faceless channels, license stock footage, and sell premium digital assets. Master the flow, and you master the market. Hit that subscribe button, join the AI Profit Lab, and let's build your empire.